Found Can Roofing. We were looking for roofers to re-roof an ancient roof on an 1890s house. He came and gave us an estimate on the day his daughter was born. And it's been nothing but a great experience from day one. He's been very attentive to all of our questions, answered them all promptly, and his crew came yesterday for the first day of the install and finished today. So it's a 3-story house. They finished in 2 days, cleaned up the premises, and they cleaned the inside attic.
Of course.
And everything was done just right, the way we would want it to be. And we've enjoyed working with Can Company, Can Roofing in Natick, and would be more than happy if you want to give us a call, anybody, to call us on the phone, and we'll tell you about the experience.
Thank you very much.
Right.